Yes, guys, hope you guys well. Guys, on this fantastic video, I'm going to show you how to very quickly create a tumbler wrap template real quick, 20-ounce one real quickly on Canva, just so that you're able to put your designs on there and get that downloaded, sell it, and all of that great stuff. But as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Anyway, I'm on Etsy right now. You can see these beautiful, amazing designs, these wraps that people sell, and so forth, and they're print-on-demand ones as well. But obviously, you need to know what the size is and how to create it very quickly on Canva. So I want to show you right now how to do this. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to get onto this madness. So how I like to verify and validate that we're getting the right size, because it's very important that the size is correct, is I like to go to Printify, my print-on-demand third party, where I can just double-check the sizes of the things I want to create. So I want to say Tumbler. This is how we know the size is absolutely right, and then we can create it. So I typed in Tumbler, and I like to go for the 20-ounce skinny. Yeah, let me just go for the 20-ounce. Let's go for the 20-ounce skinny. Okay, this is the size for the 20-ounce skinny. Okay, and then what we need to do is just, let's say we're going to start our designing. So what's great is Printify give you the exact sizes that you need. So if I just go to upload, let's say I want to upload my design, and it's giving me the print area of 2757 by 2267 pixels, right? So I want to jump onto Canva real quickly. Okay, I'm going to jump onto Canva real quickly. I'm going to go to custom size, and then I'm just literally going to say 2757 by 2267. Okay, by 2267, create design. Okay, so literally this is my template size to create it. Now the other thing is, I'm just going to very quickly show you as well, if you wanted to create a design that you can validate and verify that goes onto this. So check this out. It's going to be real quick. So it's amazing. This template, you save it. I would save it as a template. So I'd go to download. Can save it as a PNG, which is absolutely fine. Obviously, keep this saved as a template. Give it a name, call it maybe a 20-ounce straight skinny. And then look, just to very quickly show you something as well with this. I want to very quickly show you using MIDJOURNEY AI. Let's say you wanted to create a design, right? So what you say, sunflower and blue butterflies in watercolor style, right? Now, obviously, the sizing, obviously, you need to make sure that is correct as well for your design. This is very important. So what I like to do is I like to go --AR, which is aspect ratio, which is the exact size that I need. And then obviously just double check it, 2757, so that the size that you create exactly the same as the one that you're going to put onto the template. Because look, you don't want it to be like manipulated in any way or slightly distorted, because if you don't get it exactly right, then the size is not going to be correct, right? So 2757, this is pixels, guys, by 2267, right? 2267, and then click enter. Okay, so once you click enter, sunflower and blue butterflies and watercolor style with the aspect ratio with the exact pixels that I put for the Canva template. I'll very quickly create it just to show you how the size is exactly the same in terms of the ratio. And this is so important, guys. So many people get the sizing wrong and they end up stretching the design, and it becomes very, very distorted, and it doesn't actually sit right, and some parts are kind of more stretched than others. So once your designs are created, I'm just going to choose one of these fantastic, beautiful designs, which I'm going to take it across, and I'm going to use maybe U1. Okay, I can use any one I like, but let's just, for the sake of this argument. Now, what I would do is I would also upscale it. So make sure that you do upscale it as well. Click upscale, so that you get that fantastic resolution and that quality in there. And once you've upscaled it, what you do is you open it up, you save it in your documents. Now I can already see the size is fantastic. Save it in there, and then what I'll do is I'll go back to Canva very quickly to my template. I'm going to upload from my laptop the design. I'm going to go to upload files to get my straight skinny butterfly and sunflower design. Click it, click open, should be uploading, and then click the design. Now the design is here. Can you see it's in proportion? So when you stretch on here, it sits perfectly from corner to corner. There you go. There is no part of it that is distorted, right? And that's your design. And all you need to do, that's your straight skinny template. If that's what it is that you want, Then you go to download, make sure that the size, get the size quality up to say 4000 by 4000, right? Go to download. If it's a click download for the PNG. Okay, which you can do like this. But to be honest, personally, I think that's quite a long way of doing it. If I was you, the size is already there in terms of if you're going to use something like MIDJOURNEY, some AI tool where you can literally put the prompt in with the aspect ratio, which gives you the size anyway. And then all you need to do is just make sure that you've upscaled it sufficiently. Probably 4x would be a good way of increasing that resolution, which you can do in MIDJOURNEY. And then just literally save it in terms of save the design on the template. Okay, so what you can do is a really cool way of actually making sure that resolution is really good in terms of your MogWrap template. Personally, I would say that KITTL is fantastic because you can ensure that the resolution is really good. So what you can do is, in this case, is check out the links for everything that I do use, which is in the description. But let's say you look at the size, obviously, that you're using. Look at the size that you're using, 2757 by 2267, 2257, 2257 by 2267 by 2267, right? 2757 by 2267, and click create. Okay, so you got your template, which is there. So what I would do is I'll upload my design. Just want to show you very quickly using KITTL. And the reason why I use KITTL is because it's going to make sure that that resolution, which you need, that 300 dpi, that fantastic res, is going to be there. So it's uploading my design. Where's the design? There it is. Click on it. Then obviously you just make sure that you increase it. Remember, do make sure that you already upscale it by 4x. It's in proportion, so the size is in proportion. And then all you need to do is go to download, make sure that the DPI is 300 because that's what's expected, and then go and download it, export it as a PNG. Okay, it's downloaded now. So when I go to my folder, go to downloads, you'll see the new project there. Oh, that's two of them. You can see that looking at the file info, should be a 300 DPI. Yeah. Okay. So just a few different ways of actually making sure that you can do your template using CANVA, using KITTL, and then also making sure that the size is correct using MIDJOURNEY AI. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. See you on the next one. Take care.